Welcome to a review of the LEVOIT Humidifier. LEVOIT is a well-known brand in the home appliance market, and their humidifiers are no exception. LEVOIT humidifiers come in a variety of models, each with unique features that cater to different needs. To cool mist, to warm mist, to ultrasonic humidifiers, LEVOIT has got you covered. In this video, we will be discussing the different types of LEVOIT humidifiers, their features, and how they can benefit you. So grab a seat and let's dive in. These humidifiers use ultrasonic technology to produce a fine mist that is dispersed into the air. They are great for dry climates and are perfect for use during the summer months. The cool mist humidifiers come in different sizes, and their water tank capacity ranges from 1.8 to 6 liters. One of the best things about the LEVOIT Cool Mist humidifiers is that they are extremely quiet. You won't even notice them running in the background. They're also easy to clean and come with a brush to help you clean hard-to-reach areas. These humidifiers work by heating water until it boils, producing a warm mist that is then dispersed into the air. They are great for colder climates and are perfect for use during the winter months. LEVOIT warm mist humidifiers are perfect for people who are sensitive to cool mist. The warm mist can also help alleviate respiratory problems and soothe dry skin. These humidifiers come in different sizes, and their water tank capacity ranges from 1.8 to 5.5 liters. These humidifiers use high-frequency vibrations to produce a fine mist that is then dispersed into the air. They are perfect for those who want a quiet and energy-efficient humidifier. LEVOIT ultrasonic humidifiers are extremely quiet and have a range of features that make them stand out. Some of these features include LED displays, touch controls, and automatic shut-off function. They come in different sizes, and their water tank capacity ranges from 1.5 to 6 liters. LEVOIT humidifiers are reasonably priced. They are not the cheapest on the market, but they're not the most expensive either. The price varies depending on the type of humidifier and its features. LEVOIT humidifiers are also durable and built to last. They come with a 1-year warranty, and the company has excellent customer service. So you can rest assured that you're getting a quality product. Overall, LEVOIT humidifiers are reliable, efficient, and offer a range of features that make them stand out from the competition. Whether you're looking for a cool mist, warm mist, or ultrasonic humidifier, LEVOIT has got you covered. They're great for people who live in dry climates, those who suffer from respiratory problems, and anyone looking to create a comfortable and relaxing environment in their home. Thank you for watching our review of the LEVOIT humidifiers. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.